Press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button. Press on to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell. Press on to the get our notification.
good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your gym tid over there. I've decided not to talk in this tutorial, but I think the mockup file is not open. So what we have to do here, I'll just explain it and be silent back. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please subscribe. Those mockup file I will be uploading in my description below right now, they won't open. Just try to watch the tutorial to the end for you to know what to do. So let's move. Our mockup is still loading. Here is our mockup. Now when you place layer smart object, can you see the open button will not display, and we select the normal PSD file. If you can see it here, PSD. So here is it. Now you press lay, then you press your logo here, this one, then you press back lay. You go back to your layer, then smart object and open. Can you see? That's just the main reason why I want to talk in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, if you see me I'm not talking, or if you see that I'm not talking, just know that I just remain silent. So when any place that is very necessary, I will try to talk. In my next tutorial, if something like this happen, I won't talk because I've already made correction on it. So file, open and replace, download. So import the work we just done right now, Pixellab. Enlarge it to your satisfaction. So here you go. Delete the first layer. Now come back here, press file, then save as smart object, then you wait. Then you wait till the load finish. It's loading invisible, we all know it's loading, so we have to wait. Please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please subscribe, please. It's loading. We have already converted to mockup. This time around I will just be dropping tutorial about mockup. Different logo with different mockup. And I'll just be sometimes using the same logo with different mockup. That is when I want to be releasing mockup out. So go to my channel, you will see one of my videos how to use Pixellab and full tutorial on how to use Pixellab and Photopea. So I dropped 12 mockup in the description below. Go there and download it. Go here and download it. I also released 30 PSD file mockup. 30 PSD file mockup very soon. Still loading. So smart object update. Now you press this place. When you press it once, it's automatically working, but you can't see it. It's loading invisible. We have to wait till the load finish. So we are waiting. We are waiting for it. We are waiting for it. We are still waiting for it though. We are waiting for the mock-up to load, so we get no idea. We have to wait till the load finish. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe, please. If your mockup is not open and you see that you don't select my work, you select the PSD mockup file. This is how you will do it too. You press lay and you press your logo here. After that, you press layer. After you press layer, you open your smart object, then you open it. After you open it, you go to your file, open and replace. You bring in your work, you enlarge it to your satisfaction, to your own satisfaction. After that, you go back to your file, then you press save as smart object. After you save it, then you mock up it. That's all. Please, I think if this tutorial is very explainable, please just try to leave a comment for me and like this video, share to your friends to learn more. So please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe. Our mockup is loading. Our mockup is loading now. Our mockup is loading. Our mockup is loading. The reason why I'm not using the as fly again, many people are complaining about it, so that just makes why I change it to my media file link. So I'm here to satisfy you. Just go to the description below and download the coin logo. So you have to wait, you get no idea. The mockup is still loading. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Please and please subscribe, please. The mockup is loading. Watch the tutorial to the end for you to learn what I do. Watch the tutorial to the end. Not just that I already know it. Just try to watch it to the end. The mockup is loading. You have already clicked it once, so you don't need to click it again. Yes, here is our mockup. So file, export as PNG. Export as PNG. And then you save your work. Then save. So here we go. I have already said the work. That's just the meaning of the work, the mock-up. So here's our work. Can you see? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe. Meet again in our next tutorial with another hot cake. This time around I will release more mock-up. I will be releasing more tutorial about mock-up. So kindly subscribe. If you are new here, like my video, share and comment. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial with another hot cake.